Hey, Tom here, FlipAnything USA. Look, I want you to take a look at this gate because we're going to go lay out some guys to build a similar gate on one of my other properties. And then I'm going to talk to you about a good gate starts with a good foundation, to be quite honest, like all good structures. And guess what? So does you as an investor. You got to get your foundation straight and strong, and I'm going to talk about that next. For this is a very heavy 4x4 post, probably damn near 3/16 thick, pretty heavy. This concrete you see down here, that's nothing compared to what's actually in the ground. What's in the ground here is almost as big as a 50-gallon drum, okay? Very, very big, very, very substantial. Very important because you got a big steel gate hanging on this. See this? Now, the way I build my gates, I like to have adjustment because they do change with time. You'll see you've got large draw bolts here. I can adjust the gate just perfectly. Over here, these are very, very heavy. These are solid steel, and they go down about a foot in the ground. You can look down there, son. And that's what's going on. And you'll see these are like 10-foot doors each, and we're going to be doing something similar, and that's where we're heading right now. First thing we're going to do, these guys are going to come out and meet us, and I'm going to draw the holes on the ground where they're going to dig very deep. And that's what's going on right now, and we'll just keep going, and we'll get in the truck now. You want to learn how to make millions of dollars in real estate? I've made tens of millions over my lifetime, and I'm showing people how to do it. Get in my free webinar. I have it every Thursday, 7 p.m. Central. Go to the link below, flipanythingusa.com/webinar. Sign up for it. You can talk to me face-to-face if you want. Don't waste any time. All right, so we're here and we're laying this out. So I'm explaining to Antonio here what we're going to do. So basically, we have an existing gate and it got damaged. It's not perfect anymore. And so because we have to keep this place secure, I'm going to build an entire fencing gate in front of the existing fencing gate so that it'll stay secure the entire time. So we're going to put a 4x4 here and we're going to put a very large post hole around it, pour with concrete here. Over here, we're going to put back-to-back 4x4s. They're probably going to be more like here, but that'll be like this. And that's going to support a gate here. And then we have a little set of gates here for, you can see, trash. So we'll get this thing completely done. And then once we have this done, we'll tear all this old crap out, and this will be nice and tight. And so Antonio on this, they're going to lock their gates from inside and open them in this way. So they're going to swing. The outside gates can swing out over here. That's no problem. Okay. For the trash. And that, maybe we can put just one gate on there that'll swing over there.
Looks like they were easy to turn it that way on that side.
Yeah.
It's easy to put the gate on this side to open it like that.
I think for the trash guy, we can swing back here.
So then we need to make the level a little bigger.
This will be substantial.
This way is going to be a big problem.
I agree. So we'll run this straight line here.
You know, maybe they hit it. They put it right here.
Right. Yeah. So this is it. That. To there.
Line it with that. There. Okay.
Straight line, and then all the way to the rock wall over here. Of course there is, but just put another post here, like here, and then return it to the, maybe back a little bit, and return it to the wall.
Turn it to the wall.
Hey. All right, so we're laid out here. We got a string drawn across here, so we keep everything perfectly in line to be a nice, smooth, flat face front. Like I say, these are going to be very substantial foundations for the posts, and these guys are going to start jackhammering on that. And then I got one more thing over here. All right, and then that's it. We're done here. Anyway, so look, we're back at the gate, and you can see my welder. We have a set. This gate has to swing out this way, and for security purposes, we want the hole that levels the gate. We want it to be on the inside where people can't access it, and that's with it. Same thing on this double gates that's going on here. We're going to have these have to swing in because they're going to lock from the inside. But we also don't want those threaded posts accessible where somebody can simply unscrew them and pull them apart. So what I was saying on this one, so we orientate this thing out. It's sticking further out, right? And so we are going to have the bolt exposed on this side, but it'll be okay because you're going to be able to, once you kind of get this somewhat level, you'll be able to cut it, and then you're going to have your 1.5 by 1.5 here anyways. In worst cases, you know. Hey, so remember, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, get my book, Wake Up and Smell the Real Estate. Go to FlipAnythingUSA.com, get some skills. I've been doing this stuff for 42 years, bought every kind of property you can imagine, remodeled every kind of property you can imagine. I've got a skill set that is uniquely perfect for being an investor. Go to FlipAnything USA, check out the mentorship, check out all the millionaires that have already in my class in the very short time that I've had this class, how many millionaires I already have. And people that have made hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands in a very relatively short time. So look forward to seeing you. Bye.